Stop wasting your money and garage space on massive 3-ton and 4-ton floor jacks. Unless you are lifting a fully loaded heavy-duty truck, buying the biggest jack on the shelf is a rookie mistake. A quality 2-ton or 2.5-ton low-profile jack is all you actually need for 90% of vehicles on American roads, from standard sedans to mid-size SUVs. The real danger is not the weight rating of your jack, it is how you are lifting the car. A massive jack does absolutely nothing for you if you crush your floor pans because you missed the proper lift point. You need to identify the exact reinforced pinch welds or frame rails on your vehicle before that metal saddle ever touches the undercarriage. A heavier jack is also harder to maneuver, takes up too much floor space, and will destroy your back every time you drag it across the concrete. You want a lightweight aluminum or hybrid steel floor jack that you can quickly position under low-clearance areas without fighting the tool itself. Here is the absolute hard truth. Your floor jack is meant for lifting, not holding. The second those tires leave the ground, the hydraulic seal becomes a liability. Never put your body under a vehicle supported only by a jack, no matter how over-engineered or massive you think it is. The smartest investment you can make is sizing down your floor jack to what your vehicle actually requires and spending the leftover cash on a premium set of heavy-duty, locking cast-iron jack stands. Lift it with the right size jack, drop the weight onto the stands, and get the job done safe.